Hey, good morning everybody. This is Organic Dairyman and today is Tuesday, November 6th. And how is everybody today? Anyways, yeah, I'm doing fine here today. And we were just getting ready to start milking chores. And one of the first things we always do is come up here to the dry cow shed and make sure that nobody calved. So like I showed you that heifer yesterday, she's like the next one due. She's basically due here at the end of the week, so I mean she could calve any day, but obviously she hasn't done anything yet, so we're just gonna keep a close eye on her, because you never know, they have trouble calving and stuff. So that's what I'm up here doing. And yeah, so it looks like nobody calved, so we're gonna start doing the milking chores here. And yeah, I don't know, we might be getting a load of hay today, just for the dry cows here. We get special dry cow hay. It's more like a grass hay mix, just because it's low in potassium and we can't feed like dry cows can't have high potassium hay. So I don't know, we might get a load of that in today. I don't know, we haven't heard anything from the trucker yet, so we'll see what happens, and we'll see how the day goes. I know we got to go in, today is election day if you're in the United States, so I have to go in and vote today. So yeah, so we got that to do. And I don't know, gotta try to work on some more on that burner unit and on that grain bin. And I guess we'll just play the day, play it by ear and see how things go today, and I'll get back with you guys later. Okay, everybody. I have to finish doing, well, we're just about done with the feeding chores here, and I have to finish up loading the feeder wagon for the cows. And then we're just gonna wait to feed them for a little bit yet, because they have a lot of stuff left over in the barn, and so we just, otherwise we're gonna have a lot of stuff, scraps that we got to clean up. So I'm gonna finish filling that, but first, well, when we get done with that, loading up, when I get done loading that up, I'm gonna run to town. I gotta go vote yet today. And anyways, I was thinking about it this morning, well, when we were milking. Actually, I kind of maybe lied to you a little bit. I didn't really, well, I did look at this yesterday a little bit more, burner unit over here, and I was gonna work on it last night. I had all the stuff there, and the more I looked at it, the more overwhelmed I felt. I was kind of hungry, I was tired, it was raining out, I was cold, and so anyway, so this morning I was thinking about it. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this burner unit off. Just take this thing right here. I'm gonna take it out of here, take the fan off in the back, and take this out. And I'm just gonna take it up to the repair shed and just do it up there, because that way, it just that by the time you get done with chores, it gets dark so early anymore, and that way it'd be out of the wind. And I just can't concentrate on two things. I'm thinking about the cold and, you know, how uncomfortable it is, and so I just can't focus on what I need to do, so I need to be out of the wind. Anyways, that way too, I got a NIPCO heater up there, or so I could blow a little heat on if I get a little cold. I got to get some kerosene for it though when I go to town here, so that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take that thing off, take it up there, and get it rewired up there. That way I could do a better job at it and get it done right. I know it's a little hassle to take it off. You gotta take all these bolts loose here, but I just feel that it'd be the best thing to do is just take it off in some place where I'm not out in the elements trying to work on something. I hate being out in the elements working on something. I just can't focus on what I'm doing. So anyway, that's what I do. I'm gonna finish loading up that feed wagon for the cows, head to town, do my civic duty, and yeah, and I'll catch back up with you guys later. Okay, everyone, we're just headed into town here right now to vote, and I gotta stop at the gas station and pick up some kerosene for the NIPCO heater. So yeah, so we're just pulling into town here right now, and just gonna make a quick stop at the gas station, get that kerosene. They sell it in bulk, which is kind of nice because you save a little bit of money when they sell it in bulk. They do sell it out the farm store, but it's already in 5-gallon containers, and I think they kind of jacked the price up a little bit on it. So this way, if we could buy it in bulk, saves a little money. So we're gonna get over there to the gas station and get some kerosene. Okay, everybody, got the voting thing done, and now I'm just gonna head to the farm store here and quick. I think they might need some electrical supplies here for the burner unit, and so I'm just gonna come here to the farm store and see here what it is that I need. I might need something here, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna do here. Get what we need, and then go back home and feed in the barn, and see if I get that burner unit off yet. So I'll get back with you later. I'm up here in the repair shed, and yeah, I got that burner unit off finally. I actually did it in the dark, and it was cold taking it off, but I got it up here, and obviously I got my NIPCO heater here, so when I start working on it, I've got some heat. But yeah, so it's in here. I got it all off here. There's the heat sensor, heat probe, the igniter in there, and yes, so it's off. I think this is what heats up the liquid, and it turns it into a vapor, and then it shoots it out here. It's kind of what it does. But like I say, I got to get this igniter. I got to get this wiring done here. I'm not looking forward to it, but yeah. So at least now I've got some place where I'm like out of the wind, and I got a little heat to blow on me. So yeah, I'm sure if you saw, we got that, obviously got that bin sweep out of the grain bin there. And yeah, you probably saw there was snow coming out. Yeah, it's snowing out right now. I guess you probably can't see out there, but yeah, there's snow coming down, and it's, oh, I don't even know what the temperature is now. It's falling into the 20s. Let's see, golly gosh. It says 28 degrees here, so 28 degrees. Yeah. So yeah, it's snowing out. Not much, but it's enough to get you a feel for winter and stuff. So yeah, it's about, I don't know, a little bit after 8:30 in the evening, and yeah, and I should mention here too, that load of hay never came today. It's supposed to come tomorrow, Wednesday, tomorrow or Thursday. We get that load of hay for the dry cows. So yeah, we talked to the indirectly to the trucker through where we're getting it through, and they said yeah, they would be delivering it Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, maybe by the time you're watching this video, we'll be getting it. It'll be coming, I don't know. So yeah, so I'm just glad we got that burner, got that thing off, and oh, I don't know, I didn't really want to go through the work of taking that darn thing off, but I didn't really want to fix it out there. There's just that there's some stuff in there that, let me get the flashlight. There's some stuff down in there that it just needs to, the wiring, I have to get to it, and yeah, I don't know, it's meticulous. I mean, I'm tempted. I don't know. So I'm gonna plug that hole up somehow where the darn dumb mice are getting in there. Some here on the other side, but you can see all mouse crap down in there. But I'm gonna fix that darn thing so those darn mice, they don't get up in there. Yeah, right there. That's where they get up in there. I don't know what I can see. But anyways, yeah, so yeah. So I just want to get that thing wired up. I mean, I could take it to, there's a guy in town that would do it. I could never mind. Here it is. That's just some text messages from my brother. That are coming in. Anyways, yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. He would do it, but I know he would charge. I don't know how much he would charge to do it. And lately, money's been kind of in short supply. And so I'm just gonna do it myself. So I get to be an electrician. The other day I was an engineer. You kind of have to be a lot of things when you're a dairy farmer, or any farmer for that matter. So yep, you just got to do it sometimes. Bite the bullet and do it yourself. It shouldn't be too bad to figure out. You know, just replace a wire one at a time or something like that. But anyways, I got to get going here at milking chores. We might take some calls up to Watertown. I don't know, I got a cousin that might take them up for us, otherwise we'll have to take them up. But actually right now we're milking like 52 cows, and we got to make room for some more cows because the barn only holds 48. So really, we got 2 cows we're going to dry off. So kind of what the deal is. So anyways, I got to get going. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop down in the comments section below. And thanks everybody for watching this video. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. And yeah, and check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And I guess that's all I've got for today. So we'll see what happens tomorrow on Wednesday. and what goes on, but if the hay comes, I'll try to get some footage of it. Yeah, but we'll see. Anyways, I gotta run, so I'll catch you later.